To make chapati bread, first add 1 cup, 130 grams each of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour to a large bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon, 6 grams of salt and stir everything together. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of olive oil, and around 3/4 cup, 175 milliliters of hot water. Gradually add the water until the dough is elastic but not sticky. Knead the dough until it's smooth, then divide it into 10 pieces or more, or less depending on how big you want your chapati bread to be. Shape each piece into a ball and let them rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, roll out each ball on a floured work surface until the dough is thin, like a tortilla. Heat a skillet over medium heat until it's hot, then place one of the chapatis on it. Cook the chapati for 30 seconds or until it starts to brown on the bottom. Then flip it over and cook for 30 more seconds. Repeat with the rest of the chapati and serve warm.